I will give you my phone number too. Okay? Any problem you can call me. Or if you want to go back hotel by yourself, you can call me. Let me know. Then I will not wait you. Okay? Everybody.
Hello! Yay! We are here at Ocean Park and talagang napaka-exciting!
This is our day 2 and we just finished our breakfast at McDonald's like what you saw kanina.
Ayan, hindi ko alam meron dito. So, check ko yung map, maraming pupuntahan. So, bahala na. So, sumakay kami ng bus, yung service namin. Uy, dahil ibon. Oh my gosh.
Nga pala, it's 10 in the morning. And before here pala, we went to Kowloon Park.
Masyal muna.
Bird watching.
So, mamaya doon kami nasakay mamaya. Papuntang MTR. Pero, syempre, mag-Stanley Market muna kami after this. And then, bahala na kung saan kami makarating.
Sinakay namin is bus. Tapos dumaan kami ng tunnel. 2 tunnel yun before we got here.
So, yeah, kita kasi later.
Okay.
Wow, ang dami. Bangus. Bangus yun, di ba? Wow. So, nasa under the sea na tayo. Ito yung nasa underground. Under the water. Namamagnify din. Fish eye. Hi guys! Nasa under the sea na kami. Di ba kita?
Ayun o, sa taas. Kita nyo? Grabe, there are many fish.
Dahil bangus.
Bangus.
Seagull, starfish, seagull. Hi guys!
Gutom na!
Grabe, we're here. Nakalit kami sa Ocean Park. Nagutom kami. Buti nila dito sa Old Hong Kong, may mga tindang mga murang pagkain. From range from $22 to $25 Hong Kong dollars. So, binili namin ay congee, noodles, shumai, ibang klase shumai.
And then, congee din.
At yung binili namin tubig sa bus kanina for $5. Dahil mahal daw ang tubig dito. Kasi $38 daw. Wala pa ako nakikita tubig dito. Baka mas mura pa. Imbestigahan natin mamaya. So kakain muna kami.
Kakain muna kami ha guys.
Hi guys, welcome to a video vlog. We're riding the cable car here at Ocean Park. And oh my God!
Dito na kami sa cable car.
Bulutan siya. Shit! Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh, medyo misty. It's raining. There's a little bit of rain. Look down below, my man.
Yung ibon. Ibon.
Ibon. Ayun, may ibon nga. We're going to the highest location. Holy shit. Well, it's like a Ferris wheel. Oh.
Yung medyo nakaka...
Itik gawa nung... kasi gawa nung ano, yung cable. Baka medyo rusty na yung cable. Okay, this is the part we go down. On the other side, there's a nice view of the sea and the islands.
It's a little bit raining right now.
I thought that we're going to the other side of the mountain.
Tapos
Going
daw,
to the edge of the mountain. Of the island.
pagkatapos daw, paglalakarin na lang tayo pabalik.
Learn to swim.
From there.
Taas na yung altitude, so na yung tenga ko. Ayan na oh. Mababagal lang pala.
Isa lang yan. Biglang...
Guys, we are here at the Ocean Park Tower. Kasi pinalaman to, tour na lang kami sa taas.
To survive the cable tower.
Ito tayo. Here we go.
What a view!
Panoramic sana. Ang cute! Wow. Itong Hong Kong para siyang pinag-connect na islands and mountains. Diba? Ito na, ano daw? Clean the pollution. Wipe up the pollution. Ayan. Wipe out. Under the sea.
What do you call this ride?
Slow motion.
Good, pating.
Yun.
You're gonna see it from behind. Pating round.
Hi guys, we're gonna take the Ferris wheel here in Manila Ocean Park tuloy. In Ocean Park, Hong Kong. So ayun o. Sakay kami dyan. Takot kasi si Enzo sa roller coaster.
Hindi, kakakain lang namin.
Ay, nako, challenge yan ha. Okay, sige.
There you go.
歡迎乘搭摩天巨輪，基於安全理由，孕婦或患有心臟病、高血壓人士。
Yeah!
Ayan na.
This is it.
搭摩天巨輪，
Diba? Nakahirap-hirap sa camera to.
Diba? After the cable car,
Very sweet to Bibo.
sweet naman, mga chong.
每個車廂可以乘坐6位乘客。當摩天巨輪請勿站立或靠近車廂。
Tuktok na. Ayan na, we're sailing.
This is the second turn.
Bilis na.
Ang lakas ng hangin dito sa taas. Grabe. Tsaka yun.
Wala tayo sa kabilang side. Yeah.
Yan. Umaambon na abutan kami, patay.
Mambon.
And hope you guys are here also.
Pucha, lumalakas na yung ulan. We are here, the mine train, so bahala na kami. Ah! This is it, guys. Kanan Tokwa. Ah!
Mine train. My ass.
Holy.
Yo. This is it, pansit.
Oh, di ba? Taas-taas nila. Oh my God! Baka mabitawan ko yung iPhone ko. Baka ko na ganito.
Ayan.
Holy! Ganda ng view. Grabe. Yeah!
Ayan.
Whoa! Yeah, boy!
Putang ina.
Yeah! Isa pa! Ilan pala yung binog? Ilan pala yung binog? Wow! Wow! Yeah! Wow! Yeah, man!
Putang ina.
And we got that all in video.
Di ba ako nakita? Sila mag-shota eh. Mag-boss yata yun. Nakakahilo nga ito.
Aangat pa yan. Ay, maganda yan kasi yung G-force mararamdaman mo sa pisngi. Woo!
Mag-shota.
Wala na.
Yung boss na lalaki, di ba ka-discarte?
Sana.
Na-discarte na siya.
Hindi nga daw sila eh.
Layo.
Galing no? Nakabaliktad pero hindi sila nahuhulog. I think this is the longest escalator in the world. Taas. Shit! Oh my God! Whoa! no! Ayoko. Sorry, can't understand. English, please.
是坏了还是什么？
Flash? No flash?
这个有点抖。
Hands up!
Oh.
Wala ko yung